What's up, gang? Check it out, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. And this morning we are doing a Harbor Freight unboxing, man. We had to hit Harbor Freight up and we had to get this Pittsburgh 2.5 ton aluminum jack, low profile with the rapid pump, dual pumps. This baby is a beast, man. We also got this Hercules 20 volt lithium ion 1500 foot-pound torque breakaway. That's removing power, guys. All right, so you can only imagine you're gonna break free pretty much anything that you need to break free. Okay, we got the Hercules extended performance 12 amp hour 20 volt lithium ion battery, as well as the single charger here. This thing got all kind of little features on there. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned for that, man. All right, so we got the handle. Okay, look, it's not your regular screw. You can just press this thing on there and it snaps in. Okay, so check it out, Pittsburgh jack. Let's go ahead and get this handle in place. All right, gang. As you can see here, such a beauty. Okay, has grease already, you know, got your grease in there for your handle to go in. We got to remove that little rubber block right there, but let's get to it. Pop that out of there. Now we can use our jack. All right, so right here, you have to loosen this up so that you can get your bar all the way down, and you tighten it back up so that you ain't got to worry about your bar coming out. All right, so the installation of this is pretty damn easy. As you can see, we just threw this baby together in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to see how well and easily how it jacks this BMW up. Okay, so let's get to that. Tighten it up. There we go. Now we can just bring it up. Now let's make sure we get the right point as far as where you can jack your vehicle up at. All right, so you want to look underneath here and you want to make sure you find there's a location underneath that's made for the purpose of using a jack or lifting your vehicle. Okay, under here it's like a rubber bump stop. It's pretty obvious. Just make sure you're not just throwing a jack under your car, jacking up your fairing and messing all this up. There's a location under all vehicles made for a jack to be placed. All right, look how easily this jack goes up. It's already where it needs to be. Okay, all right, so now we're just gonna go ahead and bring this baby up. So now we're commencing to get this vehicle lifted up in the air. And as you can see, all is going well. Just putting it right on up. This jack here has a lifting potential of 18, like about 18 and a half inches. So I'm gonna do, first of all, my parking brake is already set. You wanna make sure your parking brake is set on your vehicle, guys, okay? I'm gonna jack this baby up and get that rear wheel in the air. We should be able to do it. Let's see. Actuality, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna lower it a little bit. I'm gonna get a jack stand, I'm gonna put under here. I'm just gonna relocate it back to the back, get another jack stand, put in the back so that I'm not just wildly jacking my vehicle all up in the air. Stand by. All right, guys, so we got the wheel off and everything, and this right here is what I was trying to get off at one point, and I just could not get this off. I had the breaker bar on here. I had my electric impact, everything on here, man. I cannot get that center axle nut off, man. But, you know, we got the Hercules here. And I'm not ready to replace it right now, but just for demonstration, we're gonna see if this 1500 foot-pound breakaway torque can get this axle nut off. All right, so as you can see, there's nothing holding this. This wheel spin, so it's just raw power, man. If it can get it off, this is definitely a must-have. Okay, let's see. It's breaking it loose, gang. It's breaking it loose. I'm not gonna take it off because I'm not ready to take it off. I ordered my CV axle, so I'm just gonna wait for it to come. And when it get here, we'll take it off then. But man, I'm blown away. That's crazy. It's doing it. It's doing it. All right, so I'm gonna just torque this back down a little bit. There we go. What, 1,100 foot-pounds of application torque, 1,500 foot-pound breakaway torque. This is crazy, man. This is dope. Okay, so I'm glad I got this. This baby right here was 219 bucks. Harbor Freight. That's without the battery and charger. The charger was 49 and the battery I think was 119. So definitely pretty good investment, man. If you find yourself out here in the garage all the time, this jack, Harbor Freight, definitely a good investment. And yeah, this right here, definitely a good investment. Unfortunately, the wheel swap is unsuccessful due to the offset of the wheels. I guess this offset is a little bit too much positiveness going on here. Okay, we're not able to clear the brake caliper. The caliper is making contact with the front face of the rim. So we're gonna throw this baby back on right here. But I still have an extra set of rims and I can put these up for sale if I want to. So yeah, Beamer boys, I got these for sale. 15 brand new tires. I think I let it go for 1,800 for the set of wheels. And pretty damn good shape too. Look at that. Really nothing going on with them. That tiny bit of rash. Just barely touched the curb. And nothing going on with this one. All of them look good. The outer finish looks good on all of them. So anyway, I just want to demonstrate the power of this impact wrench, man. Impact gun by Hercules. Brushless motor, Harbor Freight. Get you one. In the meantime, this is your boy, C-Spec Hurt, man. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I'm about to close it right here. Peace.